Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Shades of Madi. Let us learn something new today. So we'll be designing another social media flyer. You can actually check my other videos to see what I've been posting so far. So today we'll be designing another burger flyer. So first you create a new layer, add solid color which is pure black 0000, click OK, drag in the background image like this, change the blend mode to black and white, to black and Ctrl Z, that's a mistake, to black and white. Now create clipping mask to the first layer, reduce the opacity to 47. Now let's drag in our tone paper, to the edge like this, click OK, and drag this down, it will be on top. Now create a new layer also, solid color FFAE00, click OK. Now create clipping mask, so drag in our overlay like this, also create clipping mask to change the blend mode to overlay. Now because of time, I had to just create a new overlay effect, overlay rather, of this color. So I'm placing it immediately, I'm placing it directly to the image. You could actually check for the color code too. So place it like this, create clipping mask. I just did this to save time. Create clipping mask like this, so it's looking something like this. So next we'll bring in our text. Let's Ctrl T for text, place it like this. So let's write ham. So let us increase the font size. Let's try 193, enter 193. So drag in like this, 193. So we try, I'm coming bold, bold. Then Ctrl J to copy, drag down like this, write BUR, Ctrl J also, drag down, so GER, which is hamburger. Now let us drag this, let's make it center line. Let us try to make it look more beautiful. Let's put this size like this, sideways, drag this up like this, drag this also like this, something like this, okay. Now let's try to draw a shape above this. Let's create shape, come here, right click, click on this, draw it on top of it like this, something like this. Yes, I chose this. It's color wine. So see the color code here, 860200. I repeat, 8C0200. Click OK. Now Control T. Let us resize this. While holding your shift, you can actually adjust this. Hold your shift, adjust this like this. Hold your shift, adjust this, place it like this, click OK. Sorry, yeah, let me try something here. I'm coming, Control T. Let me tilt it like this a little bit, make it look more fun. Same, Control T also, more fun. Hamburger, Control T. Click OK. Dollar like this. Okay. Okay, let me just Control Z it and make it look normal. Control Z. Let it look normal. Yes. I think this is okay like this. Hamburger. Then this. Control J. You can drag it in like this if you want to. Control J. I'll choose this. Now let's write text. Okay, let's write text on each one of them. You can Control J this one, drag it like this. Sorry, let's drag the text above all the shapes. Above all the shapes. So this, let's change the font, Montserrat. So let us change this text, this ham copy here. Let us use Montserrat black. Montserrat black. Reduce the size of the font. Let's change the text to yummy. Yummy. Reduce the size further. Drag it in like this. Let's reduce the size a little bit more. Be more like this. Now click OK. Then let us discard this one by pressing delete. Discard this. So let's group all the text and images together. Burger G, Control G to group. Drag in your overlay, place it, create clipping mask, blend mode, multiply, reduce the fill. Yes, this is very okay. Now also for time sake, I actually changed all these images. using a motion blur. I think I've explained motion blur in my previous video. Drag it in like this, drag this like this, reduce it, reduce the size, drag this also in, reduce the size, can reduce the size to any size you want, like this. Drag this also in, click OK. Let's reduce this. Oops, sorry. Like this. Reduce it. So all I did here was just Gaussian blur and motion blur. I added the effect to the image. Click OK. You can also drag in your burger image. Drag the burger image in like this. On top of all this, reduce the size of your burger. Reduce the size. Yeah. Size like this. Click OK. Click on this one below the food image, create new layer, B for brush, tap here, click on black. Now you come to your image here, tap once like this, Ctrl T to transform, click on shift, drag it like this, filter, blur, Gaussian blur. So I've reduced it. So it has given it a little bit of shadow. So I use 61.1% for the Gaussian blur. Click OK. So that's how you make a simple hamburger flyer. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you.